Hello everyone and welcome back to our Old Charles. Today we are diving deep into the world of United States coins, focusing on the 5-cent coin from the year 2023, also known as the nickel. United States nickels have a rich history dating back to the mid-19th century, and over the years they have gone through numerous design changes and metal compositions, but today we are looking specifically at the 2023 nickel, its value, history and condition considerations. The 2023 5-cent coin continues the tradition of the Jefferson nickel, which features the portrait of Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, on the obverse side and Monticello, his iconic home, on the reverse side. The design has been slightly updated over the years but remains largely consistent, providing a sense of continuity for collectors and coin enthusiasts. The 2023 nickel is composed primarily of a copper and nickel alloy. This combination gives the coin its distinct silver appearance while maintaining durability for circulation in the economy. These coins are struck at multiple mints across the country and carry mint marks that can influence their value and rarity. Most 2023 nickels are produced in high quantities, making them relatively common in everyday transactions. However, the coin market is always full of surprises, and even modern coins can carry value beyond face depending on condition, rarity and errors. When discussing the value of a 2023 5-cent coin, it is important to note that in standard circulated condition most coins are worth their face value, which is 5 cents. However, collectors pay close attention to coins that are uncirculated or have never entered general circulation. These coins often display a brilliant shine with no signs of where the luster is intact, and the intricate details of Jefferson's portrait and the Monticello building are sharp and well-defined. Coins in this condition are highly sought after by numismatists and can command a premium above face value. The value can also be influenced by the mint mark. Coins produced at the Philadelphia Mint typically carry a P mint mark, while coins from the Denver Mint have a D mint mark. The San Francisco Mint produces limited edition coins often aimed at collectors, and these coins can carry a higher value due to lower mintage numbers in addition to mint marks. Errors and varieties can add significant interest to a 2023 nickel coins. With double dies, repunched mint marks or slight misalignments may be worth substantially more than regular circulation coins. Even small deviations can attract the attention of collectors and increase the value considerably. It is also important to consider the overall coin market and demand. The market for modern nickels fluctuates based on collector interest, precious metal content and trends in numismatics. Coins that are well preserved, stored in protective holders or sets, can maintain or even increase in value over time, while coins that are handled frequently and exposed to the elements may lose luster and show signs of wear, decreasing their appeal to collectors. If you are just starting your coin collection or looking to understand the value of your 2023 nickels, it is recommended to carefully examine each coin under proper lighting and possibly use a magnifying glass to inspect fine details, paying attention to scratches, dents, discoloration and overall eye appeal. The better the condition, the more likely the coin is to be valuable. In summary, the 2023 United States 5-cent coin continues to serve as both a functional piece of currency and a collectible item for coin enthusiasts. The combination of historical significance, modern production techniques and the potential for uncirculated coins and errors makes the 2023 nickel an interesting addition to any collection. Collectors should keep an eye out for coins in pristine condition with clear mint marks and any unusual varieties that may increase their value. Even though most coins are worth face value, the excitement of coin collecting often lies in discovering those rare or perfect examples that stand out among the rest. And for anyone interested in American numismatics, the 2023 5-cent coin represents both a piece of living history and an opportunity to appreciate the artistry and precision involved in coin production. We are going to explore the fascinating history behind the United States 5-cent coin, also known as the nickel, and focus specifically on the 2023 issue. The 5-cent coin has a rich history dating back over 150 years. The very first 5-cent coin was introduced in 1866 following the Civil War and was known as the shield nickel because of the shield design on the obverse side. It was made of a copper nickel alloy and was the first 5-cent coin to replace the silver half-dime, which had been in circulation since the late 18th century. Over the years, the nickel went through multiple design changes. In 1913, the famous buffalo nickel was introduced, which featured a Native American portrait on the obverse side and a buffalo on the reverse side. This design remained popular until 1938 and is still highly sought after by collectors. In 1938, the Jefferson nickel was introduced and became the official 5 Cent coin design. The obverse features Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States, and the reverse shows Monticello, his iconic Virginia home. This design was chosen to honor Jefferson's contributions to the nation and his role as the principal author of the Declaration of Independence. Since its introduction, the Jefferson nickel has seen several minor design modifications but has remained largely consistent in the mid-2000s. The Westward Journey series was introduced to commemorate the bicentennial of the Louisiana Purchase and the Lewis and Clark Expedition. These designs featured different reverse images, including the piece medal, the keelboat, and ocean in view, celebrating American exploration and history. In 2023, the 5-cent coin continues the Jefferson design with subtle updates and production techniques, ensuring sharper details and higher quality strikes. The coin is composed primarily of a copper and nickel alloy, maintaining durability for circulation and giving the coin its characteristic silver appearance. The 2023 nickel is produced at multiple mints across the United States and carries mint marks that identify its place of origin. The Philadelphia Mint coins often carry a P mint mark, the Denver Mint coins a D mint mark, and the San Francisco Mint produces special collector issues that sometimes carry an S mint mark. Throughout history, the nickel has served not only as a medium of exchange but also as a reflection of American culture and craftsmanship. The coin has adapted to economic changes, technological advances in minting, and the evolving needs of collectors. For example, during World War II from 1942 to 1945, nickels were made with a higher percentage of silver and manganese to conserve nickel for the war effort. These war nickels are still highly prized by collectors today. The history of the nickel also includes various commemorative and special editions, including proof sets and limited releases, which provide insight into the changing designs, trends, and artistic expressions of each era. Even though the 2023 nickel is a modern coin, it carries the weight of this long history, connecting it to generations of Americans who used nickels in daily life, from buying goods to collecting rare examples. The Jefferson nickel continues to symbolize stability and tradition in the United States coinage system. For collectors, understanding this history adds depth and appreciation to each coin. The story behind the design, the choices of metals, and the evolution over time all contribute to the value and significance of the nickel in the broader context of American numismatics. Whether you are interested in historical coins or modern issues, the 2023 5-cent coin provides a link to the past and a piece of history that continues to circulate and educate future generations. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the rich history of the United States 5-cent coin from its origins in the 19th century to the modern 2023 issue. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more detailed coin history videos and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest numismatic insights. We are going to take a close look at the condition of the United States 5-cent coin from 2023, also known as the nickel. Understanding the condition of a coin is one of the most important factors for collectors and enthusiasts because it can greatly influence the coin's value and appeal. Even for modern coins, the 2023 nickel is no exception. Coins are evaluated based on several key aspects, including where luster strike and overall eye appeal. Coins that have been circulated in everyday transactions typically show varying degrees of wear. This can include slight smoothing of Jefferson's portrait or the Monticello building on the reverse side. Minor scratches, small nicks, and discoloration are common in circulated coins. These imperfections are normal and expected, but they do reduce the coin's numismatic value. The higher the level of wear, the lower the value for collectors. Coins that have never been used in circulation are referred to as uncirculated or mint state coins. These coins retain their original mint luster and display sharp details in Jefferson's profile and Monticello. Even the smallest features are clear and well defined. The surfaces are free from scratches and handling marks, and the edges are crisp and fully intact. Collectors often seek uncirculated 2023 nickels because they are rare to find in perfect condition outside of mint packaging. Another important aspect of coin condition is the presence of toning. Over time, coins may develop natural color variations due to exposure to air and environmental factors. This can range from subtle golden hues to deeper reddish-brown or bluish shades. Natural toning can be desirable to collectors if it enhances the visual appeal of the coin, but uneven or unattractive discoloration may reduce value. Coins that are handled with care, stored in protective holders, or kept in original mint sets are more likely to maintain their quality over time. The 2023 nickel is available in standard circulation sets, proof sets, and special collector editions. Proof coins are struck with extra care and often show mirror-like surfaces and extremely sharp details. These coins are made specifically for collectors and rarely enter general circulation. The condition of proof 2023 nickels can be exceptional, and they often command higher premiums than standard circulation coins. In addition to wear and luster, collectors also consider errors when evaluating condition coins with double dies, repunched mint marks, off-center strikes, or other minting anomalies can be highly valuable. Even in circulated condition, such errors are rare and can make a coin stand out in a collection. To accurately assess a 2023 nickel, it is recommended to use proper lighting, magnification, and careful observation. Pay attention to scratches, dents, discoloration, and overall eye appeal. The grading scale used by collectors ranges from poor to mint state, with higher grades indicating better preservation and greater potential value. Coins that are graded professionally by organizations such as the Professional